Good morning, children. Welcome to Read and Learn. Today, we're going to learn about alphabets from letter A to Z. This is letter A. A says A. A is for apple. A. Letter B says B. B is for ball. B. Letter C says K. K is for cat. K. Letter D says D. D is for dog. D. Letter E says E. E is for egg. E. Letter F says F. F is for flowers. F. Letter G says G. G is for glasses. G. Letter H says is for hands. Letter I says E. E is for igloo. E. Letter J says J. J is for jam. Letter K says K. K is for kids. K. Letter L says L. L is for lion. L. Letter M says M. M is for moon. M. Letter N says N. N is for nurse. N. Letter O says O. O is for orange. O. Letter P says P. P is for plant. P. Letter Q says Q. Q is for queen. Q. Letter R says R. R is for robot. R. Letter S says S. S is for sticker. S. Letter T says T. T is for tree. Letter U says O. O is for umbrella. O. Letter V says V. Is for vegetables. V. Letter W says W. W is for watch. W. Letter X says X. X is for X-ray. X. Letter Y says Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y. Letter Z says Z. Z is for zebra. Z. Good job, kids!